Well, watch this one go up. Look, it has a functioning indicator. It's only going to 5. But check these all out. These are all old Chicago elevators. And they got a light modernization. And here are your neat old cabs. I don't believe these are original, but I'm not 100% sure. They actually may be. Look, Chicago Elevator Company. Hell yeah. Here's the 15th floor, and look, it has a VIP express mode. I'm not sure why they can't just use independent service, but
15th floor.
then there's your certificate. Let's go 500. Yeah, 500. We'll get a look out up here just to see it. Very neat. We're gonna see these. Let's see the lanterns. Oh, that one got cracked. That's a shame. Check it out. Very neat. All right, we're gonna go to 2 because the second floor is really neat, and I want to show you all that lobby. Take a look at this lobby. This is really neat for some reason.
First station that popped up.
There's 3 cars out here, and then 5 more cars in there, or 4. No, 5 more. What's really weird about these is you'll notice that they all have single slide doors that are disguised as center opening. I honestly don't know what that's about. Like, that's where an old coal station used to be, I bet. And then here you have a service elevator. I'm gonna keep going though. And we're gonna continue on. But yeah, this is really amazing. They literally kept, this used to be an old bank, and they quite literally just kept everything. And yeah, they really kept everything well here. You guys coming up? I'm gonna go back up to 15. Oh, look, that's where the old floor indicator used to be. I actually bet you these were the original cabs. But they definitely did a little bit of work on them. I'd say the floor is new, the handrails, the ceiling. But I'd say this metalwork is, well, maybe not original to the building, but definitely not, it definitely predates the hotel. I want to get a different car. We're going to send this one down. Whoa, not with me in it. We're gonna see what the 14th floor looks like. Just cause why not? We'll call it from a different floor. I like to see all the different elevator lobbies that they got going on. This one looks pretty similar to the top floor. Yeah, I really wonder what these would have been originally. And it's also really weird how they like divide the bank up all the time. Oh, look. That is not an original lantern. That's new. Makes me wonder if the old one broke. Cab's the same on this one. I'm gonna go to 3. Interesting, all the guest floors are locked. I guess we'll go to 1. Oh God, I hope I don't get copyrighted for this music. I'm gonna just talk over it so that way it doesn't get picked up by the fucking algorithm. Oh, here we go. Here's your elevator panel. So you have 5 passenger cars and 2 service. It's this one at the end.
You appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, there you go. And well, this one goes to a whole bunch of floors. Anyway. We'll watch it go up. Huh, only to 2. Anyway, that's it.